Hello, I'm Pastor George Mensa, and you know me popularly as Spratz. Yes, I'm in town today to give you a very quick one. The question has been asked several times on which thickness of the pick will give the best results. How do you master the pick? We have different types of pick. Some are thick, some are thin. But I wouldn't want to dwell on the thickness today because if you have a control over your pick, it doesn't matter much. Sometimes you can turn it this way, sometimes you can use the sideways even if it's too thin. It matters though, it doesn't matter much. Whenever I'm using an electric guitar, I prefer a very thin pick. When I'm using an acoustic guitar with nylon strings like this, I prefer a very thick one, so I can exert some small pressure and it gives me a very heavy sound. How do we hold the pick in the first place? I usually will put the pick here, 90 degrees to this finger, the first finger here, and then my thumb will go right angle triangle, straight away. And the pick shouldn't protrude too long here. We don't hold it too tight. There's something we call palm muting, where you are able to put the back of your palm here on the bridge of the guitar here in order to control the sound. I can't use anybody as an example by myself. I'm able to put my finger here if I want to play mute and control the strings very heavily. And if I want to speed up, I sometimes have to lift my hand and then exert some fast picking techniques. Okay, let's go straight to the point without diverting. So I've showed you how to hold the pick this way, and I will rest the pick here. So it's the wrist that moves. Please, if you really want to master the pick, take your time. Take your time, because speed is the byproduct of accuracy and continuous practice. Just get your notes accurate and practice constantly, and you will get your speed. Yes, yes. So the first exercise I want to give you is I'm in the key of C. I assume by now you know your board very well because I'm giving you a lot. This is your major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. I'm within the G shape of C. That's the third shape. The first one, the second one, the third. So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. In the fourth shape, which is the E shape of C, that's where I'm starting my exercises from. It's a quick one. So this is where we are starting from. Do this exercise every morning if you can. Mi, so, ti, do, ti, so, mi. Down, up, down, up. Down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's simple, right? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Once you master this, then you can continue with the arpeggio up the strings. Okay, That is one. And the second one is this. Pay attention, please. This is a chromatic exercise. So, zi, la, li, ti, do. So, zi, la, li, ti, do. So, zi, la, li, ti, do. Alright? Down, up, 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 down. I prefer these ones because it's stretch. You are covering about 5 frets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this kind of exercise bridges the E shape of C and then the D shape of C together. So it is after you've learned some of these basic ones, then you take it to some advanced picking techniques. For instance, when you get a song like this in maybe A, again. In the key of A, I'm going to start from the sol again. But sol, la, li, ti, do, re, mi, mi. Then you can continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, so, la, fa, so, mi, fa, re. You can practice on your own. Practice make a man perfect. I like to exercise with the nylon strings because the neck is broad and it gives you an opportunity to stretch as wide as you can. If you are able to stretch on a nylon guitar like this, then the electric guitar will become so easy. They are wide. Look at this exercise, for instance. So do this anytime you take the guitar. So far me, so far me, so far me, so far me. Re do ti, re do ti, re do ti, re do ti. La so fa, la so fa, la so fa, la so fa. Mi re do, mi re do, mi re do, mi re do. Yes, in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, my name is Georgespratz. I'm a pastor and I'm in town. In case some of the lessons are beyond you and you're looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson, you shouldn't look elsewhere again. This is the place you should look at. Pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. I give lessons to beginners, to intermediate students, and to advanced students, and even very advanced students. Even though I'm still learning. Yes, I learn every day. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so the moment we upload any new video, you don't miss it. See you again and soon.